Good afternoon and welcome to Saginaw Valley State University. I am pleased to welcome our 2020 spring graduation class to the first ever virtual graduation celebration. This is an exciting day for our graduates, their family, friends, and supporters. For me, it's one of the most rewarding days of the academic year. Graduation gives purpose to the work we do. Nothing provides us with more satisfaction than conferring the degrees on our students that our students have earned. Earning a college degree is a significant accomplishment. Typically, the process involves multiple years of study, significant investment of time and treasure, completion of rigorous academic programs, often requiring clinical experiences. Today's graduates include first-generation college students, transfer students, military veterans, and international students from all over the world. They all have a story about the complexities and challenges that led them to this day. Today, I'm proud to recognize each of you for all that you are and all that you have accomplished. At the same time, I understand that your final year at SVSU did not end the way you had planned. You may have missed the opportunity to say goodbye to friends, coworkers, professors, and advisors, to compete in your final athletic season, to raise your glass at the senior toast, or to walk across the stage at commencement in front of those who love you and have supported you the most. Believe me, these are challenging times for all of us, but you have made it, and I am very proud and happy for you. It is my sincere hope that this means of recognizing you lets you know how much SVSU cares about you, even though we can't congratulate you face to face. Our pride in you is never and will never change, regardless of the circumstances around us. You are Cardinals. You will persevere. In the years since you began your college degree, you have faced challenges of all kinds. Challenges that have shaped your character, that have placed you on a path of promise and positive influence on your communities near and far. You faced those challenges head on, and look where you are today. You are a college graduate. The recent disappointments that you have encountered and the range of emotions and demands on your flexibility will change your life, but they will not keep you from success. Nothing has yet. After all, Cardinals don't quit. Cardinals have courage. They compete. They persevere. They succeed. Challenges should be viewed as opportunities to solve the most important problems of the day. And I have just as much hope in this graduating class as I have had in any class before. You are going to be okay. Personally, I cannot wait to hear about what you will accomplish in your careers.
Hello, I'm Dr. Deborah Huntley, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs. On behalf of the faculty at SVSU, I am pleased to honor all of our students who have successfully completed the requirements for graduate degrees in the health professions, education, business, communication, public administration, and computer science. In the most trying of circumstances, our students and faculty have learned to adapt to what could never have been expected. I hope that the challenges that you have faced help you to put things into perspective. The value of learning, the value of persistence and tenacity, the value of creativity and flexibility, the value of friends and community, the value of taking care of your physical and mental health. I want to wish you all the very best as you graduate. I'm confident that each one of you has a great future ahead. Congratulations again. We are all so incredibly proud of you.
I'm Dr. Mark Peretz, Dean of the College of Arts and Behavioral Sciences, and on behalf of the faculty and staff of the college, I want to congratulate you on your graduation. You should feel confident that you're ready to meet the uncertainties of the future. You will be able to solve problems that have yet to be identified using technologies that haven't been invented and in roles and occupations that don't currently exist. To meet these new challenges, you've learned to analyze information, think critically and divergently, problem solve, and communicate effectively. Given the manner in which you rose to overcome the difficulties that we faced together this last semester, you've shown that you are ready to confront whatever you may face in the future. We are incredibly proud of each of you and wish you all the very best as you pursue your dreams.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anthony Bowen, Dean of the Scott L. CARMONA College of Business. It's my honor to present the candidates for baccalaureate degrees. On behalf of my colleagues, the faculty and staff in the Scott L. CARMONA College of Business, congratulations. Our college is a point of pride in our region. This is because of graduates like you. Graduates who will, even during these challenging times, launch successful careers in business. It is you who will impact the region, the world, and your professions, facilitate change and critical thinking, and lead the business world into the future. We hope that you will take pride in your SVSU business degree and all the hard work that it took to arrive here. I wish we could be with you in person. Please know that we are proud of all you have accomplished despite the challenges of the past semester. Congratulations, Cardinals.
Greetings, Cardinals. I'm Dr. Vertulis, Intern Dean of the College of Education. In the midst of this global change, it's very important to take note of your resilience and determination. Although I wish we were together in person today, I am so very proud to congratulate you from afar for all you've had to overcome to make it to this point today. You've accomplished so much over these past years, and for that, you should be very proud. You are unstoppable and with all certainty will continue to succeed. As educators, your impact will be profound and everlasting in our communities. As leaders, you will guide and influence individuals across generations and prepare students today for new challenges in the world of tomorrow. On behalf of all of my colleagues, the faculty in the College of Education, I congratulate you on your achievements.
I am Judy Rulin, Dean of the College of Health and Human Services. It's my honor to congratulate the candidates for the baccalaureate degrees. Many of you have already been working on the front lines during this pandemic and will continue to do so. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your hard work and commitment to the health of our communities. Your goal for a career in health and human services is actually becoming a reality. And there are so many opportunities to serve in these areas, especially today. Whichever of those opportunities you have selected to start your career, I'm confident that you will do very well. The faculty and staff of the College of Health and Human Services could not be prouder of each one of you. We wish we could all be together today, loudly cheering your success in person. Stay healthy and do well. We wish each of you the very best.
Hello, I am Dr. Andrew Chubb, Dean of the College of Science, Engineering, and Technology. It's my honor to congratulate the candidates for baccalaureate degrees. The faculty and I are proud of you. You have made the choice to work in challenging and rapidly changing technical fields that enhance the lives for us all. You are trailblazers, and we are confident that you are equipped to apply your experience and knowledge to advance the world we live in. The world has changed in so many ways. Your innovation will be essential in moving us beyond this pandemic. I would like to acknowledge your grit and determination for all that you have overcome and achieved. I and all my colleagues from the College of Science, Engineering, and Technology congratulate you on your accomplishments, and we wish you continued success.
Upon the recommendation of the faculty and by virtue of the authority vested in me by the Board of Control of Saginaw Valley State University, I am pleased and proud to confer upon each of you the degrees you have earned, together with the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2020.